Welcome. We are going to look at two special category of operators that are very simple but incredibly useful. These are the special operators. First, identity operators. Is and is not. These two operators are very easy to understand. Their job is to compare the memory address of two objects. If you remember from our lesson on variables and the library analogy, we used the ID function to see the memory address of our data. The is operator is a direct shortcut for comparing those IDs. Let's look at our classic example. X equal to 10, Y equal to X, B equal to 10. The question X is B is simply asking the PVM, are the memory address of X and B the exact same address? The answer can only be true or false. Let's see it in code. For example, X equal to a list like this, 1, 2, 3. Y equal to X. Y points to the same list object. B equal to 1, 2, 3. B is a new separate list with the same content. Print is X the exact same object as Y, X is Y. The result is true. Print is X the exact same object as B, X is B. Print is X not the exact same object as B, X is not B. So remember, is checks for identity. Are they the same object? While double equal sign operators checks for equality. Do they have the same value? Let's check the result. Second, membership operators, in and not in. This next pair of operators is also very simple and powerful. Their job is to check if an object exists inside a collection like a string, a list, a tuple, or a dictionary. Let's say we have a string. For example, greeting underscore string equal to hi Sarah. If you want to know if the letter I exists inside that string, we can ask Python directly like this: string I in greeting string, or we can ask if the letter K does not exist in the string. Just like comparison operators, the answer is always true or false. Let's see it in code. Greeting underscore string equal to hi Sarah. My underscore favorite underscore books, math, physics, history. Check for membership in a string. Print is the letter I in the greeting, I in greeting underscore string. Print is the letter K not in the greeting, K not in greeting underscore string. Check for membership in a list. Print is the book physics in my favorites, physics in my favorite underscore book. Print is the book art in my favorites, art in my favorites underscore books. These in and not in operators are incredibly useful for quickly checking for the presence of an item without needing to write a complex loop.